If you want to enable name recognition on iPhone 17, what you need to do is we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to accessibility, and then in accessibility settings, you should be able to find sound and name recognition. Over here, we can go to name recognition and you can set it up. And this is how we can teach our iPhone 17 to recognize your name, which can be used, for example, to be notified when someone calls us by our name. So we can go next, we can type our name over here. There we go, let's go next. We have a generated audio, so you can press play in order to listen to it. And if it's correct, then of course we can press continue. In case you want to correct the speech, then of course we can choose record your pronunciation. And then once you're ready, just press continue, and there we go. Of course, we want to allow name recognition to send us a notification, of course, when someone calls us. And there we go. We can add multiple names, of course. If you want to delete something, you can go to edit, like this. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.